Spider silk is 5 times stronger than steel, yet so delicate it can float on a breeze. Imagine something so tough yet so gentle, weaving through the air like a ghostly thread. This incredible material comes from an 8-legged architect, capable of producing a fiber that can withstand immense forces while remaining nearly invisible to the naked eye. Scientists are in awe, trying to replicate its unique properties for use in everything from bulletproof vests to surgical sutures. The secret lies in its complex protein structure, offering a flexibility and strength combination that defies conventional materials. Picture the future possibilities if we could harness this natural wonder: lighter planes, stronger bridges, even futuristic fashion. Spider silk isn't just a marvel of nature, it's a testament to the untapped potential lying within the webbed corners of our world, waiting to be unfurled and explored.